How to fix Telegram number has been banned and ways to lift unban. Have you ever encountered the "this phone number is banned" notification in Telegram? If you have, you might be curious about its significance. Telegram enforces certain restrictions and limitations to safeguard users and uphold the platform's integrity. Encountering this message usually indicates that you may have violated Telegram's terms of service, potentially leading to the banning of your account. How to resolve or unban Telegram account. Open Telegram app and log in. Now, tap the Help button below the ban number message. Select an email app installed on your device. When your email client launches, a draft will be generated for you with all relevant information. Do not delete any parts of the text that has already been added to the email draft. This is important. If necessary, add details to the text to explain your situation. For example, you can add, "Please recover my old account and restore all my chats," if you want to ask Telegram moderators not only to unban your phone number, but also to restore the account that was registered to this number, as well as all the chats of this account. Send the email. Receiving address will be filled in by Telegram automatically. Although Telegram representatives infrequently respond to these emails, occasionally they may lift the ban and restore the account without providing any prior notification. To determine if the ban has been removed, regularly check your account by attempting to log in using the previously banned phone number. Allow a few days for the process to complete.